I've had a very, very long day in which my roof was leaking and my refrigerator wasn't working. And I had to change all my earrings and I'm having surgery tomorrow. It's just been a very dramatic day. But here we are. Technically, it's tomorrow because it's like 1 a.m. But since I'm having surgery tomorrow, I don't know how many days I'm going to miss. So I wanted to make sure I got this in today. So without further ado, here we go. This is a card from Flower. We're going to use it as a bookmark. Okay. でも、何を話そうかな? So this is something like, but what would we talk about? But what should I talk about? 綾子一生懸命考えます。Ayako is thinking about what to say very hard. 1分3分そして10分が経ちました. So it's like 1 minute, 3 minute, and 10 minutes. I think it's go by maybe? 1 minute, 3 minute, 10 minutes have passed because it's mashita. So that makes sense. 次の駅で綾子は降りなければいけません. Something in the negative past, I think. She needs to get off at the next station because eki, so that makes sense. どうしよう? 何を言おう? 時間がない. Something about she doesn't have time? Yes. Okay. What do I do? What do I say? There's no time left. 電車は次の駅に到着します. So the train maybe is pulled into the station. The train stops at the next station. その女の人も同じ駅で降りました. So the woman... Oh, I think this is the woman gets off at the same station. Yep. The woman also got off at the same station. So it was a little bit of context remembering, a little bit of actually knowing what those words were. Oh, I'm skipping a sentence here. Ayako wa急いで電車を降りて大きな声でその人に話しかけました. So Ayako something on the train. 降りて the big, because oki, so I think that's big. Oki, I think. 大きな声でその人, something about the person she wants to speak to her on the train, maybe? Okay, Ayako got off the train quickly and got to talk to the woman in a loud voice. こんにちは, which is, hey, hello. I translate that one right every time. その人は返事をしませんでした. So this one is something about like the woman henji o shimasen deshita. It's like she doesn't. The woman does not answer. Soshite aru ikimashita. The woman does not answer Ayako and walks away. This is a hard translation one for me because it's 2 sentences in Japanese, but it's 1 in English, so I don't really understand why it's happening the way it's happening. Okay. Ayako wa gakkari shimashita. Ayako got disappointed. That's the book, not me, because I didn't know what that was. そしてAyako wa 映画館に行きました。そして then, I think then, anyway, Ayako went to see the movie. Oh, Ayako went to the movie theater. Ayako が映画館に着いた時、その女の人も映画館に行きました。Something about Ayako got to the theater and the woman was also there. Yes. When she arrived at the theater, that woman was also there. Again, this translation is weird to me because the Japanese has Ayako's name and the English doesn't, which I don't really understand why they do it that way. Ayako wa その女の人に愛知をしようと思いました。Ayako and the woman something, I don't know. Ayako thought she was now going to say hi to her. Again, like, it's weird because the English has pronouns of like she, but the Japanese says like the woman. So it's I don't know, the translation still feels weird. その人は字幕の映画を見たいので映画館のスタットと話していました。The woman wanted to watch a subtitled movie, so she was talking to a staff member of the theater. I legitimately don't remember ever reading that whole translated sentence, because I think I always get confused about subtitles. その人は耳が不自由でした。I think that one is the woman is deaf. Yes, she was deaf. Again, woman versus she. だからAyakoが愛知した時聞こえませんでした。So, だから so Ayako did something 聞こえました。That's why she could not hear it when Ayako said hello to her. Okay. そしてAyakoはその女の人に手紙を書きました。Then Ayako wrote the woman a letter. Ayako then wrote a letter to the woman. 一緒に映画を見ませんか? Do you want to watch a movie together? Would you like to watch a movie together? 今、Ayakoは毎日電車でその女の人とwhat is that? 人のノートとペンを使って映画の話をします。Now, Ayako sorry, the computer went to sleep and I was like, the recording. Okay, so now I go every day with a woman and a pen and a notebook. Tsukate. I'm not sure what tsukate is, but they watch eiga. They watch movies. They write and watch movies together. Now Ayako and the woman talk about movies every day on the train using a notebook and pen. I know that was like 12 minutes, but that's the end of the story. I'm going to be off for a couple days. That feels pretty good considering the wild day that I had, so I'm pretty pleased. Let's call it a night.